Hi, hello everyone, and dear students, how are you? How is your preparation for your final examinations, especially JEE mains and MSET? There will be few days are left out for those exams. You can pick up your speed, then you can scope up the total subjects, all those topics. Especially maths, there is a major weighted in those exams. You can focus easily if you apply the easy tips and tricks. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Math Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I am going to take care of all those exams, especially JEE Mains, MSET as well as Advanced, by using the easy tips and tricks. In every video I am using the easy tips and tricks. Those are mostly helpful to you for your preparation, revision and focus in final examinations. Very simple and easy tips I am using. Easily you can apply. There is no difficult at all. Just you can follow them, and how I am doing. You can watch my videos from starting to ending. Then only you can get the idea about the entire topic and art topics. So these are the mostly helpful videos which are uploading in my channel. Please watch all videos. That is most helpful to you for your final batting. Okay. In today's video, I am going to discuss about the most important topic, that to previous year's questions with quick solutions. It's very important for both JEE mains and MSET students. Easily you can get the good marks from this chapter. I'm using the very simple and easy tips and tricks. This is mostly helpful to you. Without delay, let's get started. Are you ready to watch? Okay, now what is this video I'm going to discuss in this one? Previous year's quick solutions on the topic vectors. Vectors is one of the major topics. Simply, easily you can now focus the more number of questions. In JEE mains point of view, one question compulsory will go. In MSET point of view, 5 to 6 questions will go from the vector algebra totally. So this is mostly helpful video. I am explaining with very simple tips and tricks. I discussed various JEE mains as well as MSET questions with quick solutions. Are you ready to watch? Okay. Now first we'll look at what are the tips and tricks we'll see now. Tips and tricks are simply what are the general formulas you know very well, what are the different and applicated formulas I'm explaining in this tips and tricks. What is first one? Cos theta is we can use A dot B by mod A mod B, where this theta condition must be closed interval 0 to 180. It is also denoted as open bracket A bar comma B bar. It means the angle between the A and B vectors. Sometimes you may go the indirectly this symbol, that is nothing but angle between the vectors. For cosine angle we can use this formula. For sine angle we can use mod of A cross B by mod A mod B. We can observe that actually what is A cross B? A cross by this graph we can observe that A and B are two vectors. A cross B always perpendicular to the plane contains A and B. This is A cross B. So if you know the A cross B and its modulus by mod A mod B, nothing but sine of the angle. Now not only these angles, you may ask the projections, that is the orthogonal projections of vector A on B or B on A, like that you will ask. What is the meaning of orthogonal projection? By this graph we can observe that, by this figure we can observe that there will be AB direction, there is a vector A, and AC direction vector B. Then this AC is nothing but orthogonal projection of A along the B. That is AC formula. A on B formula, you can start A on B means you can use A dot B, then B by mod B whole square. If you ask the A on B, you can start with a simply you should remember A dot B, then B by mod B whole square. Similarly, what is a B on A? You can start B dot A by mod A whole square. That is you can remember easily. Now you can come to the BC. This BC is nothing but orthogonal projection of A in the perpendicular direction of B. A in the direction perpendicular to the B. That formula, A on B is what here? That one now we can subtract from the A. That is simply you can remember orthogonal projection of A in perpendicular direction of B. Similarly, B in the perpendicular direction of A you can remember. Okay, orthogonal projections are very important, you should learn. And I may give the two types of equations like this. This is the equation of line, this is the equation of plane. if from these two equations we can observe that what are the B, C vectors, what is the angle between the plane and the line, that formula theta is sine inverse of mod B dot C by mod B mod C. Here, if there are the one plane and one line and one plane, we can use this formula to find out angle between them. Now, come to the vector triple product. This is very, very, very important. Indirectly, we can apply in many cases to get the solutions quickly. There is vector triple product we can remember easily. It is A cross of B cross C is nothing but is equals to, we can remember like this. What is the first vector A? Last vector C, the dot product of A and C into middle vector minus dot product of first two vectors into last vector. Like that we can remember. This is A cross of B cross C formula. It's very, very important. You should remember what is that. This is called as vector triple product. Now we can get the scalar triple product. Scalar triple product is denoted by box. This is called as box ABC, you know well. Box ABC, BCA, CAB, which are in cyclic order, all those are equal. This is also denoted as A dot of B cross C. That formula is mod of this means det of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. You know what are the A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 you can collect from the given vectors ABC. Now, when the vectors ABC are coplanar, the condition must be scalar triple product, means box ABC must be 0 in case of coplanar. Coplanar is also meaning of lie in a same plane. You may go the coplanar directly, maybe indirectly may give the word lie in a same plane. Like that we have to know alternate words also. And by using this triple product we can find out volume of parallelepiped, that is a modulus of box ABC. Volume of tetrahedron is 1/6 times of box under modulus box ABC. These are applications of scalar triple product. And these standard results are most helpful to you. You may give the questions, you can pick up the direct answer if you know these. Simply have to remember box of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A is equals to 0. If there is a box AB, BC, CA with minus is there, take the 0. If plus is there, take the box ABC. If the cross is there, we can take box ABC whole square. Like that we can remember these three formulas easily. And this one, come to this one. Modulus of A cross B whole square equals to A square B square minus A dot B whole square. This is a relation between the cross product as well as a dot product. This is also applicable wherever. Maybe we can use, you should remember this. These are simply briefly you have to know the tips and tricks to solve the questions within few seconds. Okay, how it is? How can you solve the questions? We can start the questions with quick solutions. So now enter into the questions with the solutions. Okay, you should follow those first of all. How I am applying all those formulas you can look at here are the questions. Now come to the one of the question is given the JEE January 20. In one of the shift is given. What is the question? First you can read out the data is given what. If the volume of parallelepiped whose quaternion minus adjusts U, V, W, there will be U, V, W or quaternion minus edges of a parallelepiped. Then is given as, volume is given as 1. You know volume is denoted by the cubic units. These are the units for volume. Then cosine of angle between the U and V. Means what? Cos of angle between the UV is asking. To find out the cos of angle between the UV, by using the volume of parallelepiped is 1, we can find out some unknown value lambda n. You know what is the volume of parallelepiped given? Box ABC. Box ABC is nothing but det of. What is the U quotients? IJK quotients are 1, 1 lambda. That is the first row. Same way, second row 2, 1, 1 IJK quotients. Third row 1, 1, 3. That should be is given as 1 equals to 1. By expanding this determinant, we can find out lambda value is 4. If the lambda is 4, you know, how can I expand the determinant? You know, 3 by 3, I explained already. I did many questions in the previous linear equations as well as determinants and so on. There you can refer if you don't know. Most of them are no, I think so. Even though if you don't know, you can refer that. Lambda is equal to 4, you can get. Then what is U becomes now? Lambda 4 means U is a 1, 1, 4. You can write this in order triad. Better avoid the IJK. Simple way 1, 1, 4. What is a V? 2, 1, 1. What is a cosine of angle between? What is given formula for cosine of angle between? That is what? A dot B by mod A mod B. That means A dot B instead of AB there will be UV. U dot B by mod U mod V. U dot B dot product of U and V. 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 4 into 1 4 by root over modulus 1 plus 4 plus 4 square 16 means root 18 plus here 4 plus 1 plus 1 root 6 root 18 we can write root 6 into root 3, that becomes root 6 into root 6 is 6 into root 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 by 6 root 3 means which option? That is the second option. So simple, but what is the given data you have to know. Okay, now come to the next question. This is also given in mains 2020 only January. So what is given data here? A, B are two vectors again. C is a non-zero vector and also given B cross C relation. B cross C is equal to B cross A and given that A dot C value is 0. Now he is asking B dot C. Very simple question how it is. Given that A, B and C is non-zero vector, don't worry about that one. You have to concentrate on this one. To use this one, first you have to find out A dot B is what? Dot product of what? 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1 means 4. And the mod A whole square, modulus of this is root over 1 plus minus 2 whole square is 4, 1 plus 4 plus 1, 6 root 6 whole square is 6. You have to remember these two, keep it side. Now come to the given equation is B cross C is equals to B cross A. To use A dot C, this one for easy method I am explaining to you. No need to find out C separately. From this only can find out the C. From that we can find out B dot C. To get the C vector easily, this is multiple on both sides by A bar. Left multiplication I am taking. A cross or B cross is equals to right side A cross or B cross A. According to the formula, what is that formula given here? Vector triple product. It's very important I said to you. A cross or B cross C, A dot C into B bar minus A dot B into C bar. Simply have to remember like this. A dot C first vector to last vector dot product into middle vector minus dot product of first two vectors into last vector. That all I used here. A dot C into B bar minus A dot B into C bar is left side. Whatever right side, A dot A is nothing but mod A whole square into B bar minus A dot B into A bar. Already we got the A dot C given 0, that becomes this is 0. A dot B got it as 4 with minus 4C is equals to right side. C is mod A whole square is 6 into B bar minus 4 into A dot B is a 4 into A bar. This is A bar, this is B bar. Simply have to remember 6 minus A bar 6 minus 4 2. Like that we can find out the minus 4C is equals to 2 2 2. From the C is equals to minus 1 by 2 of 1 1 1. Now what is asking? B dot C. B already there, C is also there here. We can find out B dot C. Minus 1 by 2 is a common. What is a B dot C? 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. By the simplification it becomes 1. 1 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. So very simple. Third option. Now come to the third question. This is also given January 20 only. Is another shape to is given. He is given that here P, Q, R. Three vectors are given like this. And also given that P, Q are coplanar. And again given the relation between the P dot Q and R cross Q whole square like this as the equation. Then value of lambda is asking. By using the P, Q, R coplanar. What is the coplanar condition given? Box ABC must be 0. Means what? Box of A plus B, A plus 1, det of A plus 1, A, next A plus 1, A and A plus 1 is equal to 0. First I use the PQR coplanar condition. By the simplification get the A value is minus 1 by 3. Then what are the PQR becomes now? A is a minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is 2 by 3. Like that we can substitute the A value in P, Q, R wherever A is there. We can get the PQR like this. Now can find out P dot Q, dot product of these two, 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9, minus 2 by 9 here, minus 4 by 9, plus 1 by 9. Minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9 means 3 by 9 with minus, that is minus 1 by 3. Now we R cross Q you can find out. Cross product of can find out. R with Q. Like here 1 by 3 is common. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, 1 by 9 you can write. Data of Isaac first row is minus 1, 2, minus 1. S second row minus 1, minus 1, 2. You can find out like this. Actually R cross Q you can take this is first, but you are using modulus, that nothing to worry. Under modulus minus becomes plus, modulus means length also, you can call it as this one. You got mod R cross Q is 1 by 3 into root 3. 1 by root 3 by 3 means what? 1 by root 3. This is the mod R cross Q. This is P dot Q. What is the relation between them? There we can substitute. 3 into P dot Q whole square is minus 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9, means 3 by 9 minus lambda into R cross Q whole square is 1 by 3, lambda by 3. So from this lambda is equals to 1. So your options didn't give, means this question is numerical valued based question. You only didn't give the options. One of we can give the single value 1 we got, single digit number we got. No options there because that is numerically valued based question. Now come to the next question. Are you following or not? Simply you have to follow. You have to apply the what are the tips and tricks, then only you can get the quick solutions. So what are the different types of questions? What are the simple and easiest tips and tricks I'm explaining to you? I think so you are following easily. Okay. Now next come to the next question. A, B are two vectors are given. Is given that actually in the question paper is given that with Isaac linear combination, but I avoid the Isaac, I said already. Without Isaac you can write simply as a order thread. That is easy for you for writing to save the time. Even though to pick up the question also you have to save the time. And here A, B are like that, and C, B the vector says that A cross C plus B is given as 0 vector, and A dot C is given as 4, then mod C whole square. So same method what is there here, same model question here. Here A dot C 0 given, some other condition is given. Here A cross C plus B is given and A dot C 4 is given. Simple result, but what we can do here also we can see A cross C plus B 0 vector, we can write A cross C is equals to minus. We take the modulus on both sides, squaring on both sides. Already the simple method we have mod, because he is asking mod C whole square, is not asking the vector C. That's an easy method I am explaining here. Take the modulus of A cross C and squaring on both sides. It is in the form of mod A cross B whole square. Already given to you. Mod A cross B whole square is what? Mod A cross B whole square is A square B square minus A dot B whole square. In place of B, there is C here. That is only difference. A square C square minus A dot C whole square. A dot C is given as 4. 4 squares are 16. Right. A square. A is a root over 1 plus 1. Root 2 whole square is 2. 2 into mod C square minus 16 is equals to 3. What is 2 mod C square is equals to 16 plus 3 is 19. Mod C square is equal to 19 by 2. That is which option? First option. So very simple methods I'm doing. So you can get the quick solutions. Okay, right. Come to the next question. The sum of the distinct real values of mu for which the vectors, 3 vectors are given, are coplanar. Is given that coplanar, that condition, we can find out mu value from that one. That is well. But here one of the major important point here, distinct real roots. Distinct means different real roots. Those sum we want. What are the different roots? We have to find out mu. First of all, coplanar condition, det of mu 1 1 1, second row 1 mu 1, third row 1 1 mu is equal to 0. By the expansion of this determinant, you can find out the mu q minus 3 mu plus 2 is equal to 0. By the trial and error method, we can observe that mu is 1 is satisfied on this equation, because 1 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 0. Mu is one of the root. Synthetic division. Everyone know, I think so. 1 we can take. What are the quotients are here? Mu cube quotient is 1. No mu square term. That should be 0. If there is a missing term, in place of that one you can take it as 0. Minus 3 plus 2. First place is filled with 0. Adding these 1 plus 0 1. 1 1's 1. Again add these to 1. 1 once 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Last element should be 0. Now this is cubic equation. Already got one of the root. Next so quadratic equation becomes quotient of the first element mu square is 1. Second element for mu 1. Constant minus 2. By solving this one, by the quadratic equation, you can get the two more roots. What are those? 1 minus 2. There will be three roots. What are the three roots? 1, 1, minus 2. What are different roots here? 1 and minus 2. Its sum is asking. Not all roots. Sum of all roots is not asking. Is asking the sum of distinct real values. That means distinct are what here? 1 and minus. What is sum? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. That will be the first option. That's it. Here, if in this question, if no distinct roots, directly you can pick up the sum of the roots from this only. But he is asking especially distinct roots. That's we have to find out what are the roots also. Now we can come to the next question, number 6. Let A, B, C be 3 unit vectors and B, C are non-coplanar. That is first sentence. Second sentence, if alpha, beta are the angles which vector A makes with the vectors B and C respectively. What is meaning of this is A, B, C are unit vectors means its modulus is each is 1 and alpha is angle made by A with B. This is symbol already told to you, angle between the two vectors alpha, and A to C is given as beta. I have to write the given data according to this till here up to respective till there. Now next, what is next equation? Relation is given that A cross or B cross C is equals to half of B bar. Then modulus of alpha minus beta is asking. In this one, what is given data? I explained already to you. What is this equation? You can use here according to that formula. Vector triple product A cross or B cross is A dot C B minus B, A dot C B bar minus A dot B into C bar is equals to half of B bar. And both sides compare the similar quotients. B bar quotient as well as C bar quotient. Here B bar quotient is A dot C. Here 1 by 2. What about the C bar quotient here? Left side minus A dot B. Here no, C bar means becomes 0. You know A dot C formula? Mod C, mod A, mod C. What is the angle between the AC given? Beta. Means cos of angle beta is equals to 1 by 2. AC or unit vectors is length is 1. 1 into cos beta is equals to 1 by 2. Cos is 1 by 2 for angle 60 degrees. Therefore, beta angle is 60 degrees you got. Now come to this one. Minus A dot B 0 means what? A dot B is equals to 90. Here no need to write this also. If A dot B is 9, alpha is equals to, no need to write this also. Dot product is 0 when the two vectors are perpendicular. Means what? Directly we can take alpha is equals to 90 degrees. Alpha is a 90, beta is 60. What is the under modulus? 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus 60 is 30 degrees. Where is it? Yeah, it is first option. Dot product is 0 and directly you can take the angle is 90. Product of vectors means what? Perpendicular vectors those are. Now come to the next question. Now next one is 7th question. Okay, next is what is given here. You can now look at here. A, B, C, 3 vectors given such that projection of B on A is mod A. Projection of B on A is mod A. If A plus B is also perpendicular to C, there will be two conditions. Projection of B on A is given as mod A as well as A plus B is perpendicular to C. Then mod B is asking. It is given this one JEE 2019. Now, how it is, you can see first projection of B on A. Projection of A on B have given to you. Orthogonal projection means that is vector have given here length. That formula is mod B dot A by mod A is given as mod A. So by the cross multiplication B dot A dot product of BA means what? 1 into B1 plus 1 into B2 is B2 plus root 2 into root 2 is 2. Is equals to mod A into mod A whole square. What is mod A? Root over 1 plus 2. Root 4 is 2. 2 square is 4. So B1 plus B2 plus 2 is equal to 4. What is the B1 plus B2? 2 minus 4 is minus. This is one of the equation. We got the by using first condition. Second condition is what? A plus B is perpendicular to C. Just now I told you perpendicular vectors means dot product is 0. Which are perpendicular? Sum of A plus B and C are perpendicular. What is A plus B sum? 1 plus B1. Perpendicular means dot product 1 plus B1 into 5. 5 into 1 plus B1 plus next 1 plus B2 into 2, like 1 plus B2 or B2 plus 1, whatever may be, plus next the sum of root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2 root 2 into root 2 is a 4. By this we can get one more equation. Solving 1 and 2 equations we can get the B1 B2 values. B1 we can get the minus 3, B2 is a 5. So B1 B2 we can substitute in the B bar. What is the B bar? Minus B bar is B1 B2 root means minus 3 5, B1 plus minus 3, B2 plus 5 and the root 2 already is there. He is asking mod B. Mod means modulus root over 9 minus 3 whole square 9 plus 5 square 25 plus root 2 whole square is 2. By sum of this is root 36. Root 36 is 6. That is second option. Now next question. If box of A cross B, B cross A, C cross A is given as lambda times a box ABC, then is asking lambda. You know, it is given the JEE mains 2014. You know, this is given simply, already I have given this tip. What is this tip I have given here? Wait for a few minutes, few seconds, not minutes. Okay, you can look at here. What is this? A cross A, box A cross B, B cross C, C cross A is box ABC. All same thing only given, but in place of the lambda, what is there here? 1, right? So simply lambda value is 1. By the trick, we can pick up the third option. That's it. If you know the trick, you can pick up direct answer. Now we can come to the next question. Is given that Eamcet 2016. If A, B and A cross B is 0 bar, then M comma N. What is the meaning of A cross B 0? A cross B when the cross product is 0 when the AB are parallel vectors. Dot product is 0 when AB are perpendicular vectors. Cross product is 0 when the AB are vectors are parallel. Whatever may be ABC, whatever may be here AB are given, AB are parallel vectors indirectly. If the two vectors are parallel, you know one rule, like A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, like that we can take. In place of the, better I am taking from M by, what is the corresponding quotient? 2. M by 2 equals to N by 3 is equals to 12 by minus 5. Simply from this one, M is equals to 4, 2 12s with minus 24, 24 by 5. With N by 3 is equals minus 25, minus 12 by 5 means minus 36 by 5. M and values are like, I didn't give the options here. You can pick up one of the options. Given options, but I didn't write here. M and values are like this. It is given that Eamcet 16. Just use here parallel condition. This is also known as collinear condition. You know, sometimes by the given data easily without doing, we can concentrate solution within fraction of seconds. You can come to here. A, B, C are simply non-zero vectors, and A cross B is 0 vector and B cross is 0 vector. Then A cross C result is asking. A cross B 0 vector, I said just now only. A, B cross product of 0 means when they are parallel. You know, graphically A is parallel to B according to this one. Next, B cross C 0 means B is parallel to C. B is parallel to C means what? A is parallel to B given as well as B is parallel to C is given. Indirectly, what you know? A is parallel to C. A is parallel to C means cross product is 0 vector. Therefore, which option is correct one? Third option. You should remember, this is why I am saying the vector, because cross product is vector product. Sometimes you may go in option 0 also. 0 is a scalar, 0 bar is vector, 0 vector, that is. In case of it is given. Here only 1 0 vector is given. That's why nothing to worry. Simply you have to know the what is the relation. That's it. It is given the Eamcet 13. Now come to the next question. If ABC are unit vectors such that A plus B plus C is a 0 vector and AB angle is 5 by 3, then this result is asking. First, ABC are unit vectors means each length is 1, you know. A plus B plus C is a 0 bar, and given that angle between the AB, there is no C here. We can eliminate the C. We can write means what? C in terms of AB we can write in this required result. Mod of A cross B plus B cross of, in place of C what you can write? Minus A minus B, right? Plus here also C cross, in place of C we can write minus A minus B. Indirectly I am eliminating the C by using this equation. A cross A bar. You know, A cross B as it is by the cross product, minus B cross A. Minus B cross A is same as A cross B under modulus. B cross B is nothing but 0, with minus or plus it is 0 vector. That's it. Here A cross B only. Same way next one, minus A cross A. Similar vectors means parallel vectors, that is cross product is 0. Next minus B cross C same as A cross B. Here these three modulus becomes mod A cross B, mod A cross B, mod A cross. Means what? Plus of them is 3 mod A cross B. Now mod A cross B formula, according to the formula, AB, sine of angle between the AB. AB are unit vectors, means each length is 1, means 3 into 1 into 1 is 3. And sine of angle how much? Pi by 3, sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3 value root 3 by 2. Means finally the required result is 3 root 3 by 2. That is the third half. These are the various questions, very very important and simple, easy, and by using easy tips and tricks I did this one. Hope so you following it is easily. This is mostly helpful video for your final revision. Just you can revise what are the tips and tricks and do the more number of questions from your side by using these tips and tricks, and do the practice more number of questions. I didn't cover all the questions, but I did cover all models, all methods I did, all applications I did, especially product of vectors. In case of the JEE mains point of view, you will use the one question more than 90% from the product of vectors only. You can refer additions of vectors from your side. I didn't cover additions of vectors in this video. In Eamcet point of view, additions and product of vectors also important, because in Eamcet you will go the nearly 5 to 6 questions from the vector algebra. So this is the most important chapter. We can revise more number of questions from your side. If there is any doubt in this video, please mail me with your WhatsApp number. Definitely I will send the solutions within few seconds. I can solve with clear explanation. That is mostly helpful for your revision purpose. At the same time, if you like the video, if you think this is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. At the same time, click the bell notification. Today I will end this video. Before end the video, will thank to one and all who are maybe viewers as well as subscribers for your support. Thank you once again. Now I will end this video. In another video I will meet with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye.